Hi guys, so yeah, I decided to try this boiled fried egg recipe, and seriously, anyways, to do this, you would need to boil your egg. If you don't have boiled egg, you need to boil your egg first because it is boiled egg we'll be using to do this. If you have boiled egg, then you can just go straight away. So you get a pan, you put your pan on fire, you add oil to the pan, and then you add your boiled egg in the pan. That's you remove the shell from the egg, and then you add it to the pan. Now that's once the oil is hot, so you add it to the pan, and now you just stir and fry the egg, the boiled egg. Yeah, have to fry the boiled egg. Okay, so I used fork to shook some parts of the egg so that the ingredients will enter inside the egg, but you can start to fry like that. Actually, it doesn't really matter. So now when the oil is hot and the egg is already frying, you go in with your ingredients. So I didn't use much ingredients since this is my first time trying this. I wanted to know how it would taste first, then when I try it some other time I would use more. So what I added to this was soy sauce. So yeah, if you have soy sauce, you can add soy sauce to it. Whatever soy sauce you have, if it's the number one, if it's the dark one, any of the above, you add it to it. Then I added my black pepper. Yeah, most of you that have been watching my recipe, you know I use black pepper a lot. So yeah, I added my black pepper, and then I added spicy pepper because I wanted it spicy. Like I want it to be spicy at least let me enjoy what I'm trying to make. So yeah, I added spicy pepper and I just kept stirring. And then next I added carrots and spring onions. Well, you should add this at the last stage when you want to take it off fire. That's when you should add this. Don't be like me that added it earlier. This is my first time, so I was just doing. So yeah, I added more soy sauce, but it's actually optional. It's not a must. You can add it, you can decide not to. And most people added drinks to their own, but me, no, I am not doing that. Then later I added sugar to it, and that was all for the spice I used. So after that, you just keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring, and once it is ready, once it is completely brown, you can take it off the heat. So make sure to fry on low heat so that it doesn't burn or it doesn't turn black or something. And then make sure to wash it and be careful with it. Yeah, so because this is boiled egg, we are actually frying. The last time I tried frying boiled egg was when I did my egg lollipop, and now I'm frying boiled egg again. Anyways, this was actually interesting, and I enjoyed it. Though I wasn't expecting to enjoy it, but yeah, I did. So lastly, I sprinkled my remaining spring onions and carrots on top, and I just sprinkled something else whitey on top, which is actually not necessary. I just wanted it to look beautiful. But guys, trust me, this is nice. Actually, this is nice. You can eat this with any sauce. You can eat this like that also. So the inside is still looking like your normal boiled egg. The outside is just looking like this, but the inside is still looking like your normal boiled egg. And this is actually interesting. Feel free to try it. And also, don't forget to check out our other recipes because we have so many recipes on our channel. And if you have a video to suggest, please feel free to do that in the comment section. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Have an amazing day. Bye.